Hello, my dear student. I am your social teacher B.R. Sithil. Okay. Today I am going to talk in front of you, all my dear student, about these types of cooperative. Okay. Today's types of cooperative. There are several types of this cooperative areas operated in this our neighborly society, or you can see in our country. They are saving and credit. Okay, and multi-purpose dairy, agriculture. Okay, fruits and vegetable, beekeeping, okay, tea, coffee, okay, consumers, energy, communication, etc. are the cooperative, and including production, financial, okay, and yes, other services. Yes, cooperatives are yes operating in our yes nation, in different community, okay, in different society. The importance of this cooperative, which is very important for this examination point of view, okay. So what is the importance of this cooperative? Definition we have already recited in my previous class. Now today the importance of this cooperative. It play a great role to strengthen, okay, to uplift the economic yes status of this people and this country. Okay, the first important. And second one is that it teaches the farmers to be economical. Yes, of course, there is no doubt that it teaches the farmers to be economical, and it develops this production oriented. It develops what, my dear student? Production oriented attitude in this rural society, especially for these farmers. Okay, and it helps in the poverty elevation. Okay, it helps in this poverty elevation by raising the living standard of these people. And multi-purpose yes cooperative provide, okay, the loan facility, market facility, okay, to these farmers to improve their life. These are the yes importance of this cooperative in these nations for these people, and need of the cooperative. What is the need of the cooperative then? To get the required yes capital for this establishment of this cottage industry, or you can say small industry. There is need of this cooperative. Next one is that to create this environment of this collaboration, to develop, or you can say to create the environment of this collaboration, coordination, okay, and investment at this local level. That is the need of this cooperative in the society, okay. And to identify this new need, and this possibilities, okay, and to elevate this poverty, and yes, to provide the employment by improving this economy through this cooperative. These are the needs of this the cooperative in this nation. Now next one is that there are several yes problems are associated with this cooperative in context to Nepal. Most frequently we can hear from this news, or from this news channels, okay, or from this FM. What are the problems that is associated with this cooperative then? Now first one is that actually most of the cooperative, they provide this more loan to the kith and kin. Okay, kith and kin means kutumba, apanti. Means that most of the cooperative, they provide the loan to this own people, means that kith and their kin. That is the drawbacks of the cooperatives. That is the problem of this cooperative. And second one is that appointing this member of the same family, appointing these family members on this executive means committee of this cooperative. That is this blunder problem that has been seen in this cooperative. Okay, that is the second yes problem that is seen in this cooperative in the Nepalese society. That is very bad. Third one is that collecting the deposit from these ordinary people and providing loan to these big enterprises. This is also the next problem. Means that collecting the deposit from these ordinary people and providing the loan to these big enterprises. That is also the another yes problem that is associated with this cooperative in context to Nepal, my dear student. That is also this blunder problem that has been seen in this cooperative of Nepal, or you can say in this Nepalese society. And next one is that not getting this account audited. Yes, most of the cooperative did not yes audit their account, and yes maintaining this economy yes transparency. Not maintaining their account transparency, that is also this a big problem that has been seen or associated with the cooperative in this Nepalese society. That is the problem. And next one is that a person being involved in many cooperative and they are getting the more benefit for this personal interest. That is also this big problem that has been practices in the Nepalese society. and yes, the operator, the operator, okay, running away by collecting this huge sum of money from this ordinary people. So these are the problem that is associated with this Nepalese cooperative in the Nepalese society. It must be immediately stopped by implementing this cooperative act effectively and efficiently. Okay, the concerned authority must be serious on these matters too. And now solution. What are the solution? Then we must have to determine to control the drawbacks that has been associated with this cooperative in which are operating in the Nepalese society. Now, first one is that effective implementation of the cooperative act of this nation. First solution, and second one is that discouragement for this investment out of scope. Okay, first of all, discouragement. Okay, for the investment out of scope. Second one, and third one is that providing the facility. First priority must be given to provide the facility for these depositors, not the key and keen or these big enterprises. Okay, and prohibiting the sale of shares. Yes, prohibiting this sale of shares is out of scope. There must be its control, and making the provision of making this provision. Okay, of effective monitoring. Effective monitoring mechanism must be established to control this leakage, corruption, or this misconduct that has been practiced in this cooperative. Okay, establishment of the cooperative training centers at the operate local level, means that establishment of this cooperative training centers at it is appropriate local level. These are the methods should be undertaken for the solution of whatever the drawbacks that has been practices in this cooperative in this Nepal. Okay, my dear student, this was for today. Again, I will come tomorrow with this next topic. Thank you very much.